If this is your first time playing, there are a few things you should know.
May mga simpleng tips na makakatulong para mas ma-enjoy mo ang first game mo.
These are small things, but they make a big difference on the field.
Kaya bago ka sumabak, panoorin mo muna ang video na to.
I'm Jay.
And I'm She. Tara, simulan na natin ang 5 tips for Gelsoft beginners.
Tip number 1. Avoid thick clothes and heavy jackets.
Maraming beginners ang akala kailangan makapal ang suot para safe.
Kami rin noong nagsimula. We started off wearing heavy clothes. But in Gelsoft, it doesn't hurt that much.
Kaya hindi mo kailangan mag-overdress.
You will move a lot.
At mabilis kang maiinitan kapag makapal ang suot mo.
Light, breathable clothing is better. Tip number 2. Invest in an anti-fog.
Kapag foggy ang goggles mo, parang bulag ka sa field.
You cannot shoot what you cannot see.
Simple anti-fog spray or fan system, malaking tulong na.
Clear vision equals better performance. Tip number 3. Wear knee and elbow pads.
Sa Gelsoft, madalas kang luluhod o magtatago sa likod ng cover.
Without protection, it can get uncomfortable fast.
Mas magiging confident ka gumalaw kapag protected ang mga tuhod mo.
And you can focus more on the game. Tip number 4. Always bring an extra battery.
Walang mas nakaka-frustrate kesa malobat sa gitna ng laban.
If your battery dies, you are out.
Kahit magaling ka pa, wala kang magagawa.
A spare battery keeps you in the game. Tip number 5. Don't buy a unit immediately.
Maraming beginners ang excited na bumili ka agad ng Gel Blaster unit.
But you need to understand your playstyle first.
Iba-iba ang preference sa haba, bigat, at performance.
Try rental first.
Kapag alam mo na kung ano ang playstyle mo, saka ka bumili.
That saves you money and regret. These simple tips can make your first Gelsoft game much smoother.
Mas magiging confident ka at mas may enjoy mo ang laro.
We hope this video helped you feel more ready and excited to step on the field.
Sana nakatulong ang video na to para mas maging solid ang first game mo.
And if you're looking for a space where new players feel at home,
Reach out to us by joining our Facebook group in the description below.
and if you like this video,
Please like, subscribe, at i-on ang notification bell para sa mas marami pang content gaya nito.
thanks for watching!
See you on the next video. Goodbye!
Daddy, andito yung bata.
Akin na, may kutsilyo ka. Paano hatiin? Ah, sasama-sama. O sige, Jay, dito ka sa amin ha. Doon. Nakikita mo yon yung naka-helmet.
Lahat siya naka-helmet. Lahat siya naka-helmet.
Ako bandit. Kasi yung bandit ko. Ulo, sorry.
Ano?
Wala akong band. Wala akong band. Wala akong
2, 3.
Ayan, so let's meet Team G. Gatalino.
Yeah.
Gatalino.
Gatilago.
Cut, cut, cut,
Cut, cut, cut. Ulit, ulit.